and I was trying to avoid some, and something went wrong. Oh Jesus. I don't know what went wrong, but something definitely went wrong, and guess what? I have a talking tomato coming near me, and everybody's running from it, and I'm only the last one to just stay away from it. And also, avoid tornadoes. If you see a tornado, run fast as you can, hide in your basement, and have shelter and stick together. Because I have a tornado right there. Huzzah! It's time to kill everybody in planet Earth. I am a tornado. I will break everything up. Oh shoot, it's that tornado! Ah! Wait, what's that boy doing? Oh, I'm taking him to heaven. Oh, heck no, I'm out of here. Yeah, you're gonna need to catch me first. Take it. Alright, I'm hiding. This is my camouflage shelter. You don't see me blending, but this is just the blue bed in the shelter. Okay. Get ready! Whoa! Oh shoot! No! Oh shoot! No!